with another video. And today I got a haircut, and today is going to be about fidget spinners. I got three more. I got them at ShopRite. I got this one from 7-Eleven. I had this one since like the end of April. So, hi Mom! Mom, you want to be in the YouTube video?
You guys had some of the old equipment down here. Remember you had the helmet?
No.
I mean, no.
I never remembered that.
You had your old helmet. I remember you guys were playing with Eddie. Eddie with it. And you had hand pads.
Well, I don't know where they went. So, first, we're going to open this one. It's a flower one. It's a green flower. So, let's open it up. Okay, so here was the packaging. On the back says hand spinner. It has to be ages 6 and up. I'm playing with that. So here it is in its packaging. So let's go ahead and get it out. Ooh, that feels nice. So it has like this curve up there, and then this is like down. Let's do the spin test. That feels nice. You can kind of hear it. It has, instead of the ball bearings like this one has, it has little metal balls. And this feels really nice. It makes a lot of noise though. And if you watch closely, it changes direction. Like right now. There. Okay. So, let's spin this one. Okay. Let's spin this one first. Okay. And now let's spin this one. Comment down below which one was louder. This one? If you think this one was louder, say flower. If you think this one is louder, say lime. Okay? Okay? So that was the first one. The next one, we have this Zupa tie-dye camo fidget spinner wizard. So on the back it says warning choking hazard. Okay. So let's open this up. Okay. Has clear packaging. Comes right out. This feels nice. Okay. Okay, so, this feels nice. Okay, now let's spin it. Wait. Ugh, I'm not good at spinning things. Okay, this one is definitely loud. Okay, so let's do this one. this one, and then this one. Okay, so if you think this one is louder, say galactic, or you can also say blue. So it's gonna be, so next one we have Zupa Bling Bling Fidget Spinner Wizard. It's a green one because I like green and it's bling. It's basically like the other one, the galactic looking one. So let's open this up. I'm excited for this one. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, looks good. Oh my god. This is so cool. Okay, so this one feels nice. Feels nice in my fingers, and it feels good. It doesn't have like those other ball bearings as the other ones do. It only has one ball bearing. Okay, so if you think this one is louder. Okay, so let's. Okay, if you think that one's louder than the rest of them, let's spin the rest of them. If you think that this one was louder than the rest, you can just put in bling. You think this one's better, put tie-dye. If you think this one's louder, put sunflower or flower. If you think this one's better, put lime. Okay? So, hope you enjoyed this video. And to review all of our things that we got, we have this fidget spinner, this fidget spinner, this fidget spinner, and then this fidget spinner. So remember, this one, bling, galactic, sunflower, lime, okay? So vote which one do you think was louder. And right now I'm gonna try to do something. I'm gonna spin them all. Oh, that one failed. I think I'm not gonna use the one sunflower one because that one's. Oh yeah, it's not gonna work. My favorite was these two. If I had to pick one, that was my absolute favorite. I won't be able to pick. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, remember, these are at 7-Eleven and ShopRite. ShopRite, there were only like $4. And they're at the checkouts. And then at 7-Eleven, I think they're at a section of 7-Eleven. I don't know how much they were because my grandma got them for me. And yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Now I have 4 fidget spinners. And Riley added one. So, we have in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 in total. And that's a lot, okay? So, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next video. And YouTuber of the day. Let's say it will be Zach Dorner. I know I made him a YouTuber of the day again, but he just want to show the respect. He has a great channel. He's a great friend. But people are bullying him. You guys need to stop bullying him. It's not funny. because he is trying his best on his channel, and you guys are just hating it. You guys should, if you guys don't like my channel, or you like my channel but you don't like Zach's channel, just please, just subscribe to him. He needs more subscribers. He only has like 10, and I have 20. I really want him to get up to at least 15 or 14. That's all I'm begging you guys to do. Just go ahead, go subscribe to him, because he has a great channel. I know you all want to say, no he doesn't. He has a great channel. So, Zach Dorner, Zach $1 Million to be exact, you are the YouTuber of the day, because you have been getting bullied since everyone knew your YouTube channel. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, subscribe. Subscribe to Zach $1 Million. Like this video and comment. Tell me questions. Tell me questions that I can answer, because I will be doing a Q&A soon. And I'll answer all your questions, unless if they're dumb questions. I'll still answer those dumb questions. And comment what I should do next time in the video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.